Hey everyone, I'm Josh Collier, the technical lead for the networking ecosystem and marketplace team, and today I'm excited to introduce you to Boundless, our strategic technology partner that's revolutionizing how enterprises manage their Cisco Meraki networks. In the next 15 minutes or so, I'll show you how Boundless solutions can help your customers unlock the full potential of their Cisco cloud networking infrastructure. Let me start by introducing Boundless. They're a dynamic tech startup that have been specializing in IT automation solutions since 2016, with a particular focus on Cisco Meraki. Their expertise hasn't gone unnoticed. They've been recognized as a strategic technology partner by Cisco Meraki and awarded Cisco Premier Developer status. Since FY23, their solutions are also referenced on the Cisco GPL. What's particularly impressive is their track record of serving Fortune 500 companies, demonstrating their ability to handle enterprise scale deployments, including companies such as IHG, Gap, Estee Lauder, Foot Locker, and Domino's. Boundless offers a comprehensive SaaS platform that serves as a powerful automation engine for Cisco Meraki networks. The solution suite covers four critical areas: configuration management, disaster recovery and compliance, license management, and restricted access management. Each of these components addresses specific pain points that many of our enterprise customers face daily. Let's look at a practical example through a fictitious company, Waster Royco. Picture a global retail chain with over 500 stores managing thousands of Meraki devices across multiple regions. Their challenges are common among enterprise customers. Things like they need to frequently update firewall rules across hundreds of stores, they need to manage SD-WAN configurations to meet changing business requirements, and they need to rapidly deploy SSIDs for new branches and guest networks. Additionally, they face significant security and compliance demands, including things like enforcing consistent security policies, tracking and auditing changes, and ensuring rapid disaster recovery capabilities. This is where Boundless can come in with two key solutions. The first being Boundless Flex templates, enabling faster configuration deployment with reduced errors, and the second being Boundless Safeguard, providing advanced compliance visibility and rapid configuration rollback capabilities. Now, let me introduce you to Boundless Flex templates, their flagship solution for network configuration management. Think of it as Meraki Templates 2.0, taking everything you love about Meraki templates and supercharging it with enterprise grade flexibility. What makes their Flex templates unique is their ability to maintain standardization while allowing for customization. Imagine being able to deploy a standard configuration across hundreds of networks, but still having the flexibility to customize specific settings for individual locations, all without breaking your template binding. This is exactly what Flex templates delivers. Let's dive into the technical capabilities that make Flex templates so powerful. First, our variable system allows you to define location-specific parameters while maintaining template consistency. For example, you can standardize your SSID naming convention while automatically incorporating store numbers or location identifiers. Secondly, the inheritance model means you can create hierarchical templates, global, regional, and local, with each level inheriting and building upon the previous one. Finally, the change management workflow includes built-in validation and rollback capabilities, ensuring that bulk changes are safe and reversible. This means you can confidently deploy changes across hundreds of networks, knowing that you have a safety net in place. So, moving on to Boundless Safeguard, it's a comprehensive solution for network resilience and compliance. In today's dynamic IT environment, configuration changes happen constantly, whether planned or unplanned. Safeguard acts as your network's insurance policy, ensuring you can track, audit, and recover from any change. What sets Safeguard apart is its proactive approach. It doesn't just back up your configurations, it actively monitors for changes, alerts you to unauthorized modifications, and provides detailed audit trails for compliance purposes. Let me highlight the key features that make Safeguard essential for enterprise networks. First, the continuous backup system captures every configuration change in real time, creating a comprehensive change history. This includes not just what changed, but who made the change and when it was made. Second, the point in time recovery allows you to restore your entire network or specific components to any previous state in just a few clicks. Think of it as a time machine for your network configuration. And third, The compliance engine automatically checks your configurations against predefined security policies and industry standards, alerting you to any deviations. This is particularly valuable for organizations dealing with regulatory requirements like PCI DSS or HIPAA. And finally, the detailed analytics dashboard gives you visibility into configuration trends and potential security risks across your entire network infrastructure. Now, let's jump into a quick demo to showcase how our fictitious customer Waystar Royco can easily manage your distributed environment using Boundless. First, let's assume we need to add some new security rules on a dozen of networks. With the Boundless Flex templates, you can create a configuration template in which we'll be able to retrieve all the different layers from the Meraki dashboard. Then, under the Security and SD-WAN menu, you can access the Firewall section and create the Layer 7 rules that need to be added in. You need to make sure the extension feature is selected. What this is going to do is it will add firewall rules on top of your existing ones. Next, you can go in and select which organizations and which networks those Layer 7 rules need to be deployed on. By clicking on Deploy, these settings will be pushed to the selected networks. And these networks won't be bound, which means the client will still be able to manage them independently. Now that Waystar's networks are compliant, we're going to go in and leverage Boundless Safeguard to track changes and ensure standardization. You're first going to start by creating a backup of the Waystar organization in just a few clicks. You will then define compliance alerts to ensure to get notified if any configuration change at the security level is being made on the Meraki dashboard. If a change happens, you will receive an alert and have the ability to access a snapshot of the change directly from the Boundless platform. The snapshot will display when the change was made, who made it, and what configuration setting was modified. To remediate, you'll simply need to activate the partial restore feature that will automatically revert the change and put the network back into compliance. So, this is how Boundless Solutions are helping Cisco customers with distributed networks to simplify their daily operations. Check it out on the Cisco Meraki Marketplace, soon to be the Cisco Networking App Marketplace, to discover more than 10 applications that Boundless has, covering multiple use cases.